Hello friends, so this is day 2 and I'm Ankur, your host. You can also call me Virtuous. So now we are in on the trading view, and today I am going to give you some pairs which I am thinking to execute today. Okay, let's move on to the our first pair, which is DAX, German DAX. So this is for German DAX, and we are on the daily time frame. As you can see, we are on the very important support zone, and the price recently just reached to this area. And now let's move on to the 4 hour time frame. Now we are in the 4 hour time frame, and the price is just trying to reach the support area. Now when the price closed onto this support area and made an engulfing candle or some kind of consolidation, then break out to this area, then I will look for an entry setup. Okay, now let's move on to the second index, which is Swiss 20. Swiss 20, this is Swiss 20. Now let's move on to the daily time frame. This is also the same phenomena, and the price of this index is on its very crucial support. Now it is trying to break through the support. If this support is no longer valid, then I will try to capitalize on other moves on other support like this. I actually I do not sell index. I do not short index because I do not like to, because on the probability side you can clearly see that the index most of the time go upside, not about this pair, but when it comes to the S&P 500, Nasdaq, Russell, so it most of the time the index goes up. And with this also, let's move on to the 4 hour time frame. I am looking for an engulfing candle or some kind of consolidation, and then if the resistance break, or or if the market made an engulfing candle, I will look for an entry setup. Okay, now let's move another Nikki 225. This is Japanese index, the same thing. Now the support is also pretty strong. This is now price is on, market is on to the important support. If the support breaks the same, uh, I will look to enter another support like this support area. If the market holds this support and buyers step into this, then I will, when the market made an engulfing candle, it by the way, the engulfing candle is comes in my strategy. So I will, in the few upcoming days, when I feel comfortable with this new daily routine like the YouTube video, I will share my trading strategy. So make sure to subscribe and hit a thumbs up. Okay, now let's move to the Euro NZD. uh, Euro NZD, this is the Euro NZD pair. So this is the forex pair price and the market. As you can see, from the last few months or so, market was in the uptrend, and now from the last few months, few weeks, market is just consolidating, and today market break its very important support area, and I'm looking for an entry setup if market gave me like engulfing candle. This is two huge green candle. So I will think, I will I will think when I want to enter in this trade or not. If the market made an engulfing candle or like that, something like that, I will update you. Aussie dollar, Aussie dollar, Aussie dollar, Aussie dollar. This is the Aussie dollar. So on the daily time frame, market was some kind of in uptrend, and from the last few days market is just consolidating from its support area, on its support area. And today the market breakthrough is neckline, and if the market retest this support area or the neckline, then I will look for an entry setup. Otherwise I'm not interested, very much not interested in this pair, because the market list is for market is looking very choppy. uh, let's see what's gonna happen. And now look or an another pair, USD CAD. This is my favorite because I just miss out an very important setup. So this is the USD CAD pair on the higher time frame. So market is just forex pair usually just consolidate, and this pair is also consolidating. And on the lower time frame, market was in kind of uptrend. Now market made its double top and then head to the downside, and now market was retracing. And on the 4 hour time frame, market just made a kind of double top and breakthrough is neckline. I was thinking to enter on this area of resistance, support slash resistance. So it was around 3:30 a.m. So how am I supposed to wake up on 3:30 a.m.? I was in sleep. That's why I just miss out this beautiful trade. We can say that. It happens from tomorrow onwards. I set an alarm in my stopwatch, and from today on, tomorrow onwards, I will try to wake up on around 5:30 a.m. like when the Asian session start in India. Uh, okay, let's move on to the USD JPY. So USD JPY is kind of different setup for me, because I am looking for a longer term trend, uh, because we are clearly in the uptrend, but as you can know, as you can see, when the price the Japanese yen become too cheap, the central bank step in and try to control the manipulate the prices so it can stabilize the market. And I'm thinking that kind of idea, but very strictly when the market break through its break of structure or with a lower risk, because I am thinking to hold this trade for around 2 to 3 weeks. This is something and when the market break through this support and make it a retracement back to this resistance zone, and then I will simply enter the trade with a lower risk. GBP Aussie, pound Aussie, pound Aussie, pound Aussie. This is pound Aussie pair on the daily time frame. The pair is not looking good either. If this pair made a retracement back to this area and do the same kind of what I wanted this pair to do, then I will look for an entry setup. Otherwise, I'm not interested. I'm on, let's say, today at evening. If the market doesn't break its neckline, I will just clear out this neckline and sort of things, because it just not did what I wanted market to do. um, that's it, guys. This is what I have prepared. If you like the video, just if you like the content, just hit the thumbs up button and subscribe my channel for future content. um, I'm just improving my vocal, my English, and all the things slowly. I'm not comfortable with English, but I will try to become a better version of myself. Okay, so thank you for